Hi, I'm Cynthia Nessel at Create with Cynthia, a DIY hobby and craft blog where I share DIYs and step-by-step tutorials for the vintage enthusiasts. I love vintage. I love old doorknobs, spindle legs, irons, old jewelry. Anything that looks chippy is the way I like to paint. And I love having my boys. I love it when they're happy and they're playing together. And I love my dogs, my two little puppies. This channel is an expression of who I am and what I love to do. My hope is that you'll be inspired to create with me. So grab a cup of coffee, take a seat, and let's get started. Hey there, sweet friends. It's Cynthia Nessel at Create with Cynthia, and today I am here to give you a little home tour of my woodland paradise. Tried to bring some festivity to my little woodland paradise. Here's my beautiful home. So this is my driveway, and that is my garden shed. And I have a really long driveway that leads me past the Christmas tree up to the side of the road here. You've heard me talk about this Christmas tree if you've been reading along on my blog. It's a big, hot mess of a Christmas tree. I'm convinced that real Christmas trees are a lot of work and not worth it. But you can read about that because I did a post on real or fox and why I prefer fox Christmas trees. So as we're going to enter in, I made the Believe sign. I used essential stencils when I made that sign. And here we go into the house. When you walk in, to the right is my little craft area. And as you can see, my table's a mess. This is where I keep and do my videos. I do projects here, and my lighting and my tripods are all right here. I have a wood burning fireplace. I was really excited about the opportunity to have fires in my home because I had never lit a fire before, and so it's something I had to learn how to do, and it's a lot easier than it seems. I added the mantle behind the fireplace, and there's our stockings. And this is all my holiday decor. Here's my stairs that go up to the 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. This is my dining room table where I made these chargers. Grateful, gather. Just a simple table for me and my 2 boys. Christmas Eve dinner together. And I just wanted it to be simple for us. Still have a little bit of Christmas wrapping to do, but I'm almost finished. And this is the box. As you can see, I haven't yet opened it. It's from HomeRite, so thank you HomeRite for sending it to me, and I can't wait to open it, and you can read about that post tomorrow. This is the view of the house from the kitchen. The dining room, TV room. I have a bathroom right here. And then this is where me and the boys hang out. And this is my traditional Christmas tree. Again, artificial trees I think are a lot easier than real ones. It's the first year I've ever had a real tree. How would I have known? That's another sign that I made with essential stencils. Merry Christmas. I think it came out really cute. This is another view into my television room, television area. And this is a lamp that I painted. And I used a Maker Studio stencil on it. And I love it. I think it came out really cute. And then the Farm Fresh Christmas tree sign was from Essential Stencils. And then this is my little corner piece here that I really love. I painted the bottom of it white. I think it came out great. And I found this sleigh. I was so excited. I found this sleigh over at a store up in Susanville. And then my bench here. Love my bench. It's called a gossip bench. Okay, so we're heading into my bedroom. And some sweet pictures of my boys when they were babies. And there is my Christmas tree in my bedroom, and my favorite little spot where I can sit and just enjoy the views and my home. And that is Oreo's favorite spot. He loves to look up on the windowsill and look outside. And there is my bedroom. And you probably remember my tutorial on the bee pillow. So I just love this bedroom. It's amazingly peaceful and calming for me. It's my favorite place in the whole house. Okay, so I'm backing up and heading down, looking over the stairway. Having stairs is so much fun. It's not easy to have a staircase in a two-story home, but it's really fun. Now, going into Luke and Troy's room. Luke is 13 and Troy is 10, and this is Christmas tree number 5. Dear Santa, leave presents, take brother. And this is my backyard. This is my woodland paradise, and I love it. And the property goes 1.5 acres, so all the way down the side of the house is more beautiful forest and trees. The sunsets here are just gorgeous. I am so happy that you're following me on YouTube. I hope that you've subscribed. If you haven't, please do so. You can also hit the notifications button so that when I post new videos, you'll be made aware of that. And if you haven't gone over to createwithcynthia.com, please check it out. I've been on this journey for the past 6 months, and I'm really excited for 2019 and what's in store for me. And I'm thankful for you. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.